Today, we are honored to take a step back into history and listen to the very voices that inspired millions. Voices that carried the dreams of a free India. Voices that spoke of courage, sacrifice, and unity. Let us now watch a video that brings alive the words of Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and other great leaders whose vision and spirit continue to guide us even today. Listen carefully, for these are not just voices but echoes of our nation's soul.
Mahatma Gandhi. First, we hear the voice of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, a humble leader who invited the mighty weapons of non-violence and trust to shake an employer. Let us listen to Babu's message that still resonates with hope and simplicity. Thank you all.
Through my senses. It transcends the senses, but it is possible to reason out the existence of God to a limited extent. Even in ordinary affairs, we know that people do not know who rules or why and
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Now we listen to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, a visionary who dreamed of a modern united India and who famously welcomed our trust with resting on the midnight of Independence Day. Here his wealth, filled with promise and purpose.
I can tell you that India has no intention, and I don't see any reason why in the future anything might arise that would lead to, well, India having that intention. But how can I give you a guarantee forever and ever about events? Are you guys?
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, a revolutionary who ignited the spirit of armed struggle and roused the nation with his powerful call. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Let us be inspired by his unwavering patriotism.
आज़ादी की लड़ाई छेड़ रखी है, उसे तब तक जारी रखना होगा जब तक हमें मुकम्मल आज़ादी हासिल न हो। विभिन्न दिशाओं में बिखरी सारी ताकत जितना शीघ्र हम केंद्रित कर सकेंगे, उतना ही जल्द हम आज़ादी हासिल कर सकेंगे।
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Here is the voice of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the architect of our constitution, a champion of equality and social justice, whose words laid the foundation of democratic India.
So far as the ultimate goal is concerned, I think none of us need have any apprehensions. None of us need have any doubt. But my fear, which I must express clearly, is this. Our difficulty, as I said, is not about the ultimate future. Our difficulty is how to make the heterogeneous mess that we have today take a decision in common.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And finally, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, whose fame reserve united our diverse princely states into a strong nation.
भारत निवासी प्यारे भाइयों और बहनें, आज भारत की स्वतंत्रता का 1 साल परिपूर्ण होता है।